The Dragon Boat Festival, also known as 端午 Festival, is a cherished traditional Chinese holiday that holds deep historical roots. It falls on the 5th day of the 5th lunar month. On 端午 Festival, people usually eat 粽子, race dragon boats, hang mugwort leaves, and engage in other traditional activities. 粽子, the traditional food of the Dragon Boat Festival, comes in a variety of flavors and fillings. The making of 粽子 needs to go through processes such as ingredient selection, rice soaking, and leaf boiling. Tasting 粽子 is a delightful experience, symbolizing health and well-being.